Hey guys, Zombie Archibald here, and CNC, I'm out on the ramp again. Didn't expect me to be out here again, did you? Well, I recently got a very special item. Thomas Wood Gordon. Thomas Wood Railway Gordon. Look at that face. Let's see him in real life. Awesome. He's way bigger than I thought he would be. Anyway, I'm gonna try and unbox him. You're gonna need to try and do it with one hand. Luckily, I got some scissors. Should probably move my camera to my left hand. I'm probably not going to be able to do this on camera. I'll bear it back. Now box. And what do I think of him? He's really cool. Those wheels, I already, Troublesome Junction once said this, but those wheels don't lie, man. Just don't. The face is awesome. He has like an the indignity looking face. Still has the magnet coupling, and he has painted buffers. He is a 460, which honestly he should be a 462, but that would require him being longer than Henry, and they don't need that. They can't have that. The coal detail feels nice. 6-wheel tender, and yeah, we're gonna do some tests with him. First test is the pull test. Now, I didn't bring my big bag of wooden railway engines, but I did bring one engine. Oh dear. And as you can see, the coupling is the right way around. Because look, I'm pulling on him, and Gordon is moving. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna test him on some obstacles. First things first, this big tunnel. Obviously, you can do it. He can fit under this bridge, but can he fit into this tunnel, which is quite literally the smallest space I can have any wooden railway engine fit into. And as you can see, if I'm ever going to use this guy for filming, I cannot use the tunnel. At least not the red one. So, I'm going to just... And, yeet. And I'm just gonna... Next, we're gonna see if this Brio station stop will actually stop Gordon. Let's see. Well, it appears to have more derailed him. Next, the final test, the sharp curve test. Now you may be wondering, why'd you get this T-curve out instead of a tight curve or even a long curve? Well, I tested it, this is quite literally shorter than and this is quite literally tighter than the tight wooden railway curve. So can Gordon fit on this? Oh, just barely. Look at him. I think I might use that for the thumbnail. That is just, wow. Oh dear, I'm still here. Shut up, duck. So, my final thoughts on the 2022 Thomas Wooden Railway, Gordon. I think it's great. I think Mattel is actually being smart for once. I think it's great that they're actually producing a great thing like this instead of continuing the Thomas Wood line. And I like how they reverted back to Thomas Wooden Railway with the same track. Of course, this is mostly Brio track, but if we come over here, you can see the track is the same as it ever was, but the engines are completely different. So yeah, my thoughts on Thomas Wooden Railway Gordon, 11 out of 10. No. Roll the outro.